I'm Shivani, a corporate professional. I work remotely, and a few months back, I moved to Goa. I have been posting consistently since on my Instagram, but I never really made a video on YouTube, and I think this is the perfect time. I do that because I'm seated at a beach, the sunset is done, but it's still bright enough to sit. So, let me walk you through the journey, what led me to this decision, and how has it been so far? So let's start from the top. I joined, like, my corporate journey started in 2022, and before that I was living, you know, at the hostel all the time. Oh my god, sorry for the distraction, but look at that cloud. Isn't that pretty? It's super pink, but the focus won't go. But anyways, what I was filming is that before that time period I was always living in a hostel after my 10th grade, and I moved places, I moved hostels, and I was never really home after my 10th grade. But when I joined this company, it was a campus placement. A lot of people ask me, how did you land into a work from home job? It's no miracle or whatsoever, okay? I just applied for a company. They happened to have work from home things. So I was like, okay, fine, whatever. I mean, I'm always okay with anything. But anyways, that's how my corporate journey started. And since then, since 2022, I've been living in my hometown with my parents, which I absolutely loved. And for me, this was the biggest blessing after having lived away from home all these years. So 1 year passed by, 2 years, 3 years. Through this journey, even I evolved, right? Because when you are a chatterbox, you are a complete extrovert living out there, meeting hundreds of people in a day, it's very difficult to go back to your town and live a certain way. But that was never really a problem. I got there, and then my love for traveling has always been there. So I actually started to travel a lot, and this was happening because my money was with me. I was not like spending on rent, on commute, my time, my energy, everything was with me. So these 3.5 years, I absolutely spent being home, enjoying the festivals and traveling the world and traveling India, whatever. So I kind of did that until a point hit to me, and I was like, am I made for this life maybe? Because I was having the best time, but my parents also were kind of telling me that, hey, do you want to go out and live somewhere? Do you want to have your own space? You want to do your own thing? Yes, I have parents who respect my privacy and my space, even at home, and also give me the freedom to choose what would, let my creative self be out, and, I'm not closed in one place. So after this, I had multiple conversations with especially my mom, and she's like, okay, do you want to, you should go out, probably go and live in Mumbai. You have friends there, you have things. I'm like, why Mumbai? I mean, I come from a town, so town life ke baad Mumbai jana was not a same choice for so many reasons. Like, we are blessed with beautiful beach, beautiful, really clean air and everything. And uske baad Bombay wala chaos mein sign up karna was not my choice. तो बहुत कंटेम्पलेशन क्या है, ये थॉट हमेशा आता था ना टू मूव आउट. आई डोंट नो इफ आई वाज स्कैर्ड और माय सबकॉन्शियस माइंड डिड नॉट वांट टू एक्सेप्ट इट, बट फॉर सम रीजंस आई केप्ट पुशिंग इट. ओके, आई ऑलवेज हैड अ रीजन टू पुश दिस थॉट एंड दिस इनिशिएटिव until one day I made up my mind. I'm like, okay girl, we are doing it. So then of course it comes, right? If not Mumbai, then when? Where? Because I want to be at a place where I am safe, but my parents are also back home relieved that our daughter is safe. Okay, that's a very important thing, especially when you plan to live solo, venture out solo, go to a new place. And then it struck me that what better than Goa, because I'm a beach person. Okay, and more than beach person, if I want to explore a new place, there should be some familiarity, so मुझे भी confidence है, and for all the reasons जो मैंने इसके पहले आपको बताया. So then I was like, Goa, let's go Goa. And they're like, okay, because I've lived there before during one of my internships. I was in Panjim back then, but I still knew, okay, if not Panjim, somewhere else, we'll see. But Panjim was always the safe bet. So I started looking out for places in Panjim, and of course that market has evolved. It was all costly. And then my mom again questioned me, yaar, Panjim with the city life hi ho gaya. And she's right. I mean, she was somewhere right. I'm like, okay, yeah, you're right. It's Goa, but it's again city. How will I find that flavor of authentic Goa that I want to live? The peace that I want, the kind of beach access that I want, that I want to swim, I want to be around greenery. So ये सारे debate में I'm blessed actually, because with all the traveling and my creative side of things, I have known so many people. So my belly dance teacher has been living in Goa for quite some time. So every season she comes to Goa, and that struck my mind. And first thing I did is I pinged her. She was super nice because she tried to understand what I needed, what I wanted, and then she suggested me a few places in Goa. And one of them was this stretch where I live, that is Mandre Mashwem, Morchim, Belt. Another thing she suggested was South Goa, Palolem, Patnam, but मुझे उतना isolated नहीं जाना था. So because I had someone who has lived in this area, it gave me some confidence. So I had never been to this Mandre Mashwem belt. मैं गोवा बहुत बार आई हूँ पहले, but ये belt में मैं कभी नहीं आई थी. मैं जितनी बार आई थी मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ आई थी, and the internship time was different. So I was like, yeah, my parents also did. कि चलो कोई है जिसको our daughter knows. And then गोवा हम गए भी है पहले, so there are places there where we know it is safe and all of that. So with that, I was like, yeah, I spoke to that teacher of mine, and then I decided कि okay, this belt is perfect. मैंने ऑनलाइन घर देखना शुरू किया. मुझे 1-2 ही लीड्स मिले, but with those 1-2 leads, I decided to take a leap of faith, and I was like, chuck it man, था क्या होगा, मैं हॉस्टल एरियाज हॉस्टल में रह लूँगी. But this time I had made my mind, because I knew that if I don't take a step, if I make yet another excuse, then I'll still be stuck. It's not being stuck, but again, I will not be able to step out of my house ever, because then it will make me a homebound person forever, which is, trust me, not a great quality to have. So ये सब होने के बाद we locked in. I looked at 2 houses. एक में confidence था, so my dad is like, okay, I'll come with you. And then I just started to pack my bag one random day, and my parents are like, you really going? So yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm actually going. So I've made my mind this time. So बस ऐसे ही I randomly started to pack my bag. I randomly booked a ticket, which was not confirmed, by the way. तत्काल ticket book किया मैंने. इस तरह से I made a very spontaneous decision to come to Goa, and it's been 6 months now, and there is so much more I want to tell. But this is how I made a decision to come to Goa. Not because I wanted to escape something, not because I did not want to live where my family lives, or not because that I did not have my freedom, but only because that I did not want to, in my prime 20s, feel or be in a place which does not allow me to outgrow my potential. Okay? I wanted to be somewhere where I could have community of like-minded people, where I could be pushed to my better limits, where I could navigate my own self. घर पे रह के थोड़ा ऐसा हो जाता है ना, पेरेंट्स सब कुछ हाथ में दे देते हैं, and my parents still do it at this age for me. So I really wanted to step out and take that responsibility in my own hands and be able to do things. So yeah, it was not about escaping, it was more of like finding my own self, being a little more responsible, and then see what this nomad life is like. So बस ये सब करके Goa became my first stop, and this journey has been super amazing, and there's so much more I want to share with you guys. So if you have any questions, drop them, and my Insta ID and link is also in the description. Do go and check out my vlogs. I've posted over 100 vlogs of my real daily life in Goa, and trust me, it is real side of things, and I'm so happy and proud of this decision. So yeah, more episodes to come your way. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.